So today's topic is filters. Filters in Power BI. So anyone knows filter basic idea? What are filters? Samrita, Anjali,
Does the thing.
it's what filter. Let's suppose there are 5 countries. And from that, I need only 3 countries. So that time we use filters, right?
Yes.
Oh, so Power BI also there are different filters are there. Like first, if you see there are pay, it's a filter. Hmm. Just disable it if you're not sure. If you want to see these filters, then just click on this filter. It will show the filter. Okay. So in filter, there are 3 types. This is a canvas filter. So reporting layer. Here is a filter. We have 3 types of filters here. First, you can see right filter on this page, filter on all pages. Filter on this page means whatever installation you can do, it will be filter on this page. Only for this particular page number 10. It will not go to page number 9 or page number 8. If for this particular, see the example. Just to one thing. Let's make it alert. So, so, okay. Check. So, profit, quantity, and some sales. Okay, so what do you see this much vertical subjective. Just sum of profit, quantity, and sales. Now, this is also visual table view. But when we have not selected this, so we see 2 filters. That is filters on this page, filter on our page. But if you click on this feature, the third filter exists. See, can you see? You select filter on this visual. So this is the third filter type. Power, like filter on visual. So, unselect this visual, filter on this page, filter on all pages. First, we will look at the filter on visuals. This visual we have taken. Suppose for this visual, you don't, you want only for consumer copy. You don't want to see home offices. Just to you select for and select home office. See, from here segment, cannot see home office in here. Can you see? The amount also changes. So now it's 2,26,092. So click on home offices. It's 2,56,000. Like 26. See, it's a visual filter. Okay. But we are applied only for this visual. Suppose if you got a picture, same thing. Same thing we have done. For this visual, we have applied home offices. Filter. Short. It's the copy. You can select here. Then you can see home offices. Home offices, corporate convert. But here you cannot see because we have used visual filters. So it will apply all these visuals, particular visuals only. These visuals or these visuals, right? What the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what features on visual? All three are selected. Click on discussion and look towards the amount also is different. But it's there is student 86. Now what we have like whatever visuals we create here it should apply for this particular page for all the visuals, whatever visuals you have. Category sales file and we have selected then some art chart some profit so can streaming but you have to go from here from all these three regions I need to filter for all like I want only one region right there is one region head is there and he want to look report only for his region so region turn this page so how many regions are there four regions are there in our data so suppose this is the west region head so just you want to see the west so it's upload for each of them so west region this applies for all these three regions not only for a particular region okay so finding okay this is A45 here and 86 but if we select only west so this is 2K 19K so it's only for west region it's apply on all these pages suppose this is for west region west so similarly when we go to next page then we can filter it out same report we are doing just duplicated west region the instead of west you can select south and then in this south region okay any questions on these two filters that's on video one filters on page
No, sir.
now the main thing filters on all page filters on what all page we can do there are two ways to do to apply this filters on all page like first I will show like this
Sir, your voice is not coming.
yeah, just a second. I'm going to some other class Start. So this will just going to try. So filter on pages means right. For the filter. Here we take select stop step. One step. I will only call it for. So it will apply here as well as on the south as well. So state will show you California. Here also in this page also it's a for. Why? Because we have done the selection of Cal. If you select another calendar, which will show data for this two. And if you select this, see we are also choosing. So it apply on all the pages. Got the point? So this is the first way. But why should we use filter if we want to apply on all pages? Like entire report, we need to use this filter. So what we can do instead of using there, just we can query when we select the data. Like we are using data source as Excel. But when we select from SQL, so there we can write a query like this. Select star from table name mm, where city is equal to whatever the name is. Okay. Like that, we need to write a query while connecting to Power BI, this SQL query. Then only for that city only we will get the data. But like if you want to do different reports for different regions or different cities, for that time, what you can do, go to transformation order tables. Here you filter it out what you want. Suppose like segment. We don't want office. We don't want only consumer and corporate. So these two data only we will see in our reporting here. Okay. So just I will click OK. So see uh, consumer and corporate is showing. There is no data for home office. Just close and apply. Now you go to page next page. What we have done segment, right? Take on table segment. See, only two segment is only seen. Only two is only. There is no home office in this only in this table. If you select here, go to order table segments. Only two we can see. Why? Because we have filtered data in our data source only. So it's not show in our data view. What the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
If we
instead,
want to do,
sorry.
sir, if we want to do on all pages from main data only, we can filter out.
Yes, right. So it depends how you want. If all pages like you analyze the report, you have done the planning, you have design everything. Then you came to know, like we don't want to show office appliance because office appliance vertical is now merged with consumer only, or it is discontinued. So we should not show that. So you can, while taking importing the data from the data source, from there only we can use SQL query. This one, select star property where only this much data you can take, or you will filter in data source itself in transformation. Or at the last moment, if you think like, no, I have taken all the data, then you can use this filter on all pages.
If in future, if in that data means
If yeah, if you require that data in future, so again you can go to this transform. So the best thing what you take all the data into Power BI, and whichever is required, you just select that. Now I require consumer and this one. Which one? Consumer and customer. Sorry, consumer and corporate required. But after future, like we required no office appliance also, we have started again. So I need to show that. So just click on this. Okay, close enough. Okay. Office appliance will be also be seen once data is loaded. See, automatically it's take because we can see the data there.
yes,
Can you see
yes,
like that? So main like filter plays a major role. If something is filtered in first page here, and if you're working on the south or west region pages, and the data is not coming accurately, so we need to check all the filters on all the pages. So we should be very careful regarding these filters. Okay. So filters are the backend one, backend filtering data in the backend side. Okay. So like there is an interview question like what's the difference between filters and the slicers? This is the slicer, and these are the filters. What are the difference between filters and slicers? Can you tell what is the difference? So the difference is filters we are applying and it's working in the back end, but slicers are a front end and can be interacted. We can the end user, like I have generated this report and you are the end user, so you can interact with that report. So see west is only seeing why west only seeing here.
in slicer we can change at any time.
Yes, right.
Anyone can
Mhm. So look, we should be very careful, right? To your west, but it's not coming raw.
in
GG.
field we can see that.
Now we can see region. So in the report we have this filter central, whatever the fees, consumer sales. Just we are interacting. See, so this is the interactive dashboard. Central value is this, east is this, south is this, west is this. So interactive. But if I apply this filter on this visual, here it's a segment, corporate. So you cannot see, you cannot change this from filter. If you have the knowledge of functionality of the Power BI, how the functions working, then you can go and you can select this visual and you can see all. But the business, the end users or the leadership team, they just review the report. They don't generate what is going on back end, what formula you are using, what modeling you are doing. They don't know what you are doing. They just see the front end, what is developed report, how this bar chart came. You don't want that. Just they want look the numbers. So, okay, consumer is going, corporate is going, home office is going. Okay, in central region, how much is going? West region is going, south region is west. This is the interactive filter, which is present on the report. But filters are the backends. So we cannot interact with the filters. We need to apply changes on filter and it will be reflected on our report. But at any point of time, we can use slicers to interact with the report. Okay. Any questions on filters?
So in slicers, we can select all.
Slicers we can.
I mean, you have selected all in slicer.
Yes.
We
Yes.
can we can select all at a time.
Yes. We need to remove this. Select one food. Control. Select control.
Control.
You can select multiples. Okay. In
Okay.
slices also, there are settings. Formatting we can do. Now select on the slicers. Go to format. See, can you see slicer setting? Go here. It shows the vertical list. Hmm. Now you want till. It means showing the this like buttons. Here
Yes,
you
sir.
can see the buttons as well. And then if you click center, west, south, s- slices. Now I want to see like how we can do. I have just selected west. West I have selected. But there should be some button like all data should I see. And again there is a then you can use down, drop down as well. So you want to show all. But in here also you want to see when there is a selection option. Single multiple select option we have selected.
Yes.
Single select also you can show. Even select single things. But I want not single. All options should be selected. Select all. All is select. Only one I need to select select. So this is the setting. Can use
Yes.
or sliders. Most of the time we use vertical or the drop down list because it saves the performance gives good for this using this slicers. Here, this is one slicer work here. Second slicer we need to delete also for segment. So say formatting we can specifically do okay. Whatever colors, whatever you want, can do cosmetic changes this order. Background, open button, yeah. Background, like that. You should use the combination of color. Which background color, which color looks good. Like that, should give the combination and creative visualizations. So it can be eye catching. So user can see this. If you don't want to show this segment over here, off the segment. So if you want, whatever you want, you can do segment. If questions on this filter and slices, Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Any questions on this?